You're holding the key to a treasure chest. Inside, there's not gold or jewels, but something even more valuable, your dreams turning into reality. This isn't a fairy tale. It's about using a secret weapon we all have, but rarely use to its full potential. It's about those aha moments when ideas strike and suddenly everything seems possible. Think of the Wright brothers with their first flight, or a musician composing a masterpiece. They started with a vision, a mental image so powerful it propelled them from dreamers to achievers. That's the journey we're embarking on, transforming dreams into action, vision into reality. What is visualization? Let's break it down. Visualization is like having a superpower where your mind creates a roadmap to success. It's more than just thinking about what you want. It's about immersing yourself in the experience of achieving it. Picture a child playing pretend. They're not just acting in their mind, they're astronauts, teachers, heroes. That's visualization. You're the director of your own story. You create the scenes, feel the emotions, hear the applause. It's about painting a picture so real in your mind that it starts to seep into your reality. Imagine you're dreaming of a cozy home. You don't just think, I want a house. You walk through every room in your mind, feel the warmth of the fireplace, hear the laughter in the backyard. That's visualization, detailed, immersive, real. It's a workout for your brain, training it to recognize and grab opportunities. It's a bridge between I wish I could and I know I can't. When you visualize, you're planting seeds in a garden you can't see yet, but with each mental image, you're watering them, nurturing them until one day they bloom into reality. Every great achievement started with a single thought, a clear image in someone's mind. From climbing Everest to penning a bestseller, it all begins in the landscape of your imagination. So, let's start this adventure. Close your eyes and envision your goal. Feel it, live it, breathe it. This isn't just make-believe. It's the first step to making it real. You're about to unlock the power of your mind, and the moment you do, the world becomes your playground. Common misconceptions. Now let's clear up some common myths. Some folks think visualization is like magic. You imagine something and poof, it appears. But it's not about casting spells. It's about setting the stage for real-life action. It's like a sports star envisioning a perfect play. They don't just sit back and wait. They practice, strategize, and put in the work. Visualization primes their mind for victory. Or consider a chef creating a new dish. They don't just toss ingredients together. They imagine the flavors, the presentation, the texture. Visualization helps them turn a bunch of ingredients into a culinary masterpiece. It's not about wishful thinking. It's about creating a clear mental blueprint to follow. Another myth, that visualization is only for creative types. Not true. Whether you're an artist or an accountant, a student or a CEO, visualization is a tool for everyone. It's about seeing the potential, the steps, the end goal. Whatever your heart is set on, it's the fuel that powers your ambition engine. And let's bust this big one. Visualization is too hard. It's like any skill. The more you practice, the better you get. It's about starting simple. Visualize something small, like a great day at work or a relaxing weekend. Then build up to bigger dreams. It's like learning to ride a bike. At first, it's wobbly and uncertain, but soon you're cruising, wind in your hair, feeling unstoppable. Visualization is the same. A little practice, and soon your mind becomes a powerful tool that turns what if into why not me. Step-by-step guide to effective visualization. Ready to start? Here's your step-by-step guide to effective visualization. First, find your quiet corner, a place where you can be alone with your thoughts. It could be your bedroom, a park bench, even the backseat of a bus, anywhere you can tune out the world and tune into your thoughts. Step 1. Relax. Take a deep breath. Let go of the day's stress. Feel your muscles loosen, your mind clear. Step 2. Focus on your goal. What is it that you really want? Is it a promotion, running a marathon, learning a new language? Hold that thought firmly in your mind. Step 3. Add the details. This is where it gets fun. If you're dreaming of a promotion, picture yourself in that new office, hear the congratulations from your colleagues, feel the weight of the responsibility, the thrill of success. Make it as real as you can. The more vivid, the better. Step 4. Feel the emotions. This is crucial. How does achieving your goal make you feel? Proud? Happy? Excited? Let those feelings wash over you. Emotions are the secret source of visualization. They supercharge your images, making them powerful motivators. Step 5. Repeat. Practice this every day. Even just 5 minutes makes a difference. The more you do it, the more natural it becomes. Soon, you'll find yourself spotting opportunities, making decisions, and taking actions that align with your vision. Your dream starts to move from your mind into your reality. Remember, visualization isn't a one-time ticket to success, it's a daily practice, a habit that shapes your thoughts, sharpens your focus, and steers you towards your goals. It's about turning "I wish" into "I will," and then into "I did." So close your eyes, open your mind, and let's start this incredible journey together. The immediate impact of visualization. Let's talk about the magic moment, the immediate impact of visualization. When you start visualizing, something amazing happens. Your mindset begins to shift. You move from "maybe I can" to "I definitely can." It's like a switch flips in your brain. Suddenly, you're not just hoping for success, you're preparing for it. The moment you visualize your goal, you start seeing the world differently. Opportunities you never noticed before begin to pop up. Challenges that seemed daunting become puzzles to solve. Your goal isn't a distant dream anymore, it's a future reality. It's like putting on a new pair of glasses and seeing the world in high definition. This shift isn't just in your head. It's real. Studies show that visualization activates the same neural networks that actual task performance does. It's like your brain is getting a rehearsal for success. Athletes, musicians, CEOs, they all use this trick. They've learned that the mind can't tell the difference between real and imagined effort. So when you visualize, your brain gears up, getting ready for the real deal. And the best part? This shift happens immediately. From the first moment you start visualizing, you begin to change. Your confidence grows, your focus sharpens, and your determination solidifies. It's not about waiting for change, it's about making change happen right here, right now. So every time you close your eyes and picture your success, remember, you're not just dreaming, you're building the mental muscles that will carry you to your goals. You're training for triumph. And with every visualization, you're one step closer to turning your dreams into your reality. Real-life success stories. Still skeptical? Let's take inspiration from real people who've harnessed the power of visualization. Meet Sarah, a young entrepreneur. She visualized opening her own bakery. Every night, she pictured herself serving customers, smelling the fresh bread, feeling the warmth of the oven. She faced setbacks, sure, but her visualization kept her on track. Now, she runs a successful bakery, a dream turned into delicious reality. Then there's Raj. He dreamed of running a marathon but struggled with motivation. He started visualizing himself crossing the finish line, hearing the cheers, feeling the medal around his neck. This mental imagery fueled his training. Last year, he completed his first marathon with tears of joy and pride. These stories aren't fairy tales. They're real-life examples of the power of visualization. Sarah and Raj aren't superheroes. They're everyday people, just like you and me. They show that with visualization, persistence, and a bit of hard work, anything is possible. Their stories prove that when you visualize correctly, the shift towards achieving your dreams happens immediately. Visualization in daily life. Now that we've seen its power, let's talk about weaving visualization into your daily routine. It's like adding a vitamin to your day, a small habit with big benefits. Here's how to make visualization a part of your everyday life. Start your day with a vision. Before you even get out of bed, spend a few minutes picturing your day ahead. See yourself acing that presentation, enjoying time with friends, or simply having a smooth, stress-free day. This sets a positive tone and gears your mind towards making it happen. Use idle moments. Stuck in traffic, waiting in line? Use these pockets of time to visualize. Picture your long-term goals like buying a house, graduating, or traveling the world. These moments are opportunities to reinforce your dreams. Before tackling a challenge, pause and visualize. About to start a difficult task? Take a moment to picture yourself handling it with ease. See the problems and visualize yourself finding solutions. This preps your mind for success. Make it a bedtime ritual. End your day by reflecting on your goals. Picture yourself achieving them. This not only relaxes you, but also keeps your subconscious mind focused on your objectives while you sleep. Remember, Consistency is key. The more regularly you practice visualization, the more natural it becomes. It's like watering a plant. Regular care leads to growth. Over time, you'll find that visualization not only helps you reach your goals, but also improves your overall mindset and well-being. Your visualization journey begins now. As we wrap up, remember this: visualization is a journey, not a destination. It's a tool that can transform your life, but only if you use it. You've learned what it is, busted myths, got the steps down, seen its immediate impact, heard real success stories, and learned how to weave it into your daily life. Now it's your turn. Start small, dream big. Visualize not just the end goal, but the steps to get there. Feel the emotions, embrace the journey. The power of visualization is now in your hands. It's up to you to use it. Remember Sarah and Raj? Their success started with a vision. Yours can too. So close your eyes, open your mind, and start visualizing today. Your future self will thank you. The shift happens the moment you believe it's possible. So believe, visualize, and watch as your world transforms.